Hey guys, welcome to Western Earth Weather. So today we're starting with satellite imagery. We got this line of rain and showers, even better chances of thunderstorms coming this way towards Buffalo, giving us a soaking rain within the next couple hours. We're in this general thunderstorm to this marginal risk. I will remind you that this line doesn't mean anything in terms of severe thunderstorms. It could extend outside of the lines. I would say there's like a 15-20 mile difference. I know this is not 15-20 mile difference, but you never know. Even the marginal risk, even the just general thunderstorm risk, there's always a chance of just general thunderstorms. We got some air quality alerts for the Canadian wildfire smoke, or fine particles, and this is all hazardous weather about up to 151 in the AQI, or air quality index. So we might see some air quality alerts in the next couple weeks because Canadian wildfires but this low is coming through, producing some rain and thunderstorms. We'll check radar real quick. Uh, see this producing some heavier rain, maybe some little hail, but there's no special weather statement issued, so nothing to frown about. But you never know. A special weather statement, even a severe thunderstorm warning, could be issued in the next couple hours. I wouldn't be surprised, but it's possible. We got some, and that's pretty much it. This is pretty much the radar feature for today. Um, Looking at the Weather Service office, we got hazardous weather outlook. Um, if you look here, for most, if not all, of the Western New York office, occasional showers and scattered thunderstorms will cross the region Saturday through Sunday. This will be a multi-day event. Few storms may contain some damaging wind gusts or strong wind gusts that's around be considered severe. It's around 58. It really depends, but for New York and the U.S., it's 58 miles or greater. And localized heavy rainfall or flash flooding, for example. There is a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms, excessive rainfall for both days, Saturday and Sunday. So the next 3 days we have marginal risks for excessive rainfall for all 3 days. We'll check out later. But look at the experimental graph. Saturday looks like it'll be a bigger threat than Sunday. They didn't issue a marginal risk for severe weather, but that doesn't matter. See, we got severe thunderstorm risks, thunderstorm winds, or up to 15% or greater and 58 miles or greater of your location. Marginal or isolated severe thunderstorms possible, and lightning, wind risk. There's a wind risk for Watertown, nothing to impact the Buffalo area, the western part of this office. You got fire weather for Rochester and parts of just little blobs here and there. Looks like Monday there could be some thunderstorms and rain with on the Lake Ontario. Lightning risk all through Monday. Similar risks all through Monday. Looking at the storm prediction page, if we look up Saturday's outlooks, there's a category. We're in the marginal risk that could grow. This there's lots of 5 places of concern, but they have this. if you want to rate it on Storm Predictions website, it's a marginal risk still. It could be upgraded. There's a 2% tornado risk. With all severe weather, there's always a risk for tornadoes. Even damaging tornadoes cannot be ruled out. Looking at this, I'm seeing strong in the middle, upper layer westerlies. I feel like there's gonna be a few cells that could produce some severe weather. It's not gonna be a big outbreak, but it could produce some severe weather. We got EC and WF. This will come through. There's some cells. It's just gonna sit there for a while. It's gonna sit there and produce rain. Looks like some of that could be severe. So it's just gonna stall there. And that's pretty much for that model run. GFS. For GFS, I'm just gonna check. Nothing out of the question here. Maybe some stronger cells. We could see some that could. These black lines called isobars, and the tighter they are, the more winds, like the winds they can produce. And if they're tight near a low, that means stronger winds likely. And this could produce some stronger winds when this comes through. Looking at CMC, this will comes through. CMC likes to have these blobby individual cells. So it's producing some individual cells are better for severe weather, so I would take this as a grain of salt because this is what CMC is like. And this clip looks concerning. There's some cells producing here, well-defined cells. Some in the Buffalo office here near Oswego, Watertown areas could see some of these could go severe, and that goes off to the ocean. Looking at Icon still showing the slow's gonna stall out or disappear, and it's just gonna produce some rain for the next couple days. Some of this could become severe, and rain, heavier winds, severe winds, all possible. We got the Cape outlook. There's some Cape. We're looking around that, still around this under 2,000 joules per Cape. Cape, remember, is the potential energy that thunderstorms can use. That's how, and most reasons why the bigger outbreaks happen is this Cape is in the air. Stronger Cape could produce some bigger weather. Looks like we have it's a non-zero threat for Cape, and I would take some other soundings later. I might post it on the YouTube and post it on the community tab to show you some of pivotal weathers. Looking at the vorticities, cyclonic vorticity at 500 millibar. So, stronger the vorticity, stronger a storm can be, and there are some pockets, and there's some line right here around hour 84, producing some severe vorticities. Yeah. Looking at GFS, same similar thing, just pockets of it. So it could produce some nice severe weather. Even a possible tornado cannot be ruled out. CMC. Uh, yeah, there's some pockets of stronger, uh, of that. Stronger, vorticities. Looking at icon shows most models are in agreement of this system producing some moderate cyclonic vorticities. I'm gonna go back to GFS. Do we have? We don't. Alright, that's fine. Looking at the national forecast maps, we got some rain and thunderstorms as this low comes through today, tonight. It's bringing this warm, cold, and occluded fronts, producing some severe weather over here. Yeah, producing heavier rains and thunderstorms as this low comes through. After we do that, let's look at the forecast precipitations. Looks like we're gonna get some rain later tonight, equaling around the inch mark, maybe less, maybe more. Similar outlooks, maybe a little less, maybe around that half an inch range to a quarter of an inch. And as this rain comes through, it's gonna go more easternly. And like, it's kind of absurd. Look at this. It's hitting around that 2.5 inch mark up here. Very crazy. But looking at the 7-day precipitation totals, getting 2 inches around the Rochester area and more easternly to the state. They still get looking at inch and a quarter possible. The excessive rainfalls all 3 days, marginal risk for most, if not all, of the Western New York Buffalo Weather Office region. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I will post more, we call them soundings later on the YouTube if I remember. Yeah, please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think I can do better at. Video ideas. Always will be happy to take them. And thank you again, and goodbye.